Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am continuing my paperback junk journal. I just want to show you a page that I have worked on. It's probably finished, but I'll show you how I did it. And it is this one. What it is you can take pages out and put them in again. So it's just a page that I folded, and it makes these hinges so you can just flip them out and put paper in, or pictures, or whatever you feel like, drawings. And it doesn't have to be just one page. You can put, like I did here, a double page and then just a single piece of paper. Basically what it can hold. So yeah, I thought I would show you how I've done this. It's very handy to have something where you can just take the papers out and swap them out. If you're not happy about one page, you can put another one in, or whatever you think you'd like to do with it. So I thought I would show you how I made this. It's very easy. There's not much to it, but I think it's just a fun thing to have in your journal, just a bit different. So let me show you. What I used in the journal was a piece of music sheet. It's a bit bigger than an A4, but not a lot. So first of all, fold it in the middle, like I did here. Fold it out and fold both sides to the middle, like this. So all the folds here are the same way. If you're doing origami, it's valley folds on this side. Let's do the other side. And about there. Yeah, that was the first part. Nothing to it. Then you turn it over, take this fold and put that up to the middle. So you can see when you turn it over, you've got mountain folds, as we call it. And then when you folded this up, fold it out again, and you fold this up to the first fold you see here. So what I'm making now is basically an accordion. So you know, it's that zigzag. Do the other side, fold the first fold up to the middle, like this, and then fold the bottom up to the first mountain fold, like this. So there we have it, an accordion. The paper I'm using is just, well, this is a bit, I think this, no, this is not copy paper. It's a bit thinner, but copy paper will do. It's okay if it's a bit thicker. So when you've done that, you take this corner and fold it towards, just down, and make this triangle. Fold over and repeat here, and this is double, as it should be. I'm not going, well, I'm going close to the fold, but not all the way up, because as we know, there needs to be a bit room for when you fold it over. Continue to do that on all corners. Let's see. I can't really see the fold here. It's there, here. There you go. And then you fold here. Fold over. And the last one. And fold over. Turn it. And do exactly the same on the other side. Like this. Like this. And this one. Oh. This one. And the last one. Yeah. When you've done that, you take all the double folds here. These are just the base where you glue that to the side, and this is just a single, so don't do anything with that. Fold them out again, so you can see these triangles here. We invert them. Should fall into place all on its own. There we go, like that. Take the next one, fold it. See, this fold needs a bit more coating. It's folding the opposite way, but you can see the line where you made the first fold, so it should be quite easy. There we go. So now you have these points. Oops. Go to the other side, do exactly the same. Fold it in. And now that one. Last one. like that. You can use your bone folder, of course. It's not necessary with this one because it's very thin. Open it up, and then you fold these down, and I think now you can see exactly what we're doing. Oh, stop it. And you may as well take the bottom one in one go here. Fold over. Do the next one. And the bottom one. Go to the next one. Fold down. Do the bottom one and fold up. And here's the last one. Of course, you can fold this to the back. So they're all the same. This one down. And this one up. So now it's just a rectangle. And then the magic happens. You fold it out. See, it's very quite firm. And then it's basically ready for you to either ink it or whatever embellishment you want to do. And there's the folds when you can put paper in. I did on the ones I made, I just glued this down because that's gonna pop open since it's only one layer, but it's basically just a small dab of glue there. You can do that on the first one again. There we go. Just so it stays down, because it could be a bit annoying with this one if it folds open all the time. So yeah, basically that's it. Nothing too fancy, but it's just a practical thing to have, I think, because you can change the papers, you can put more in, you can take them out, write on them, so you don't have to write in the journal when you know it gets bulky. So that's that one. Very easy project for you to do, and I hope you'll have fun with it. Doesn't matter with the size of the paper, as long as obviously it fits the page. But as you can see, I started with a A4 paper. It went beyond this book, and now it's basically the same size. So just bear in mind that it's going to be quite a lot smaller than what you start out with. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye.